Our planet is a world of wonders, a vibrant tapestry, woven with countless threads of life. This incredible diversity is a testament to the power of evolution. Each animal is a unique solution to the challenges of survival. They help them find food, escape predators, and raise their young. Let us embark on a journey to meet some of these remarkable inhabitants of our planet. We will encounter 7 such animals, each a marvel of evolutionary engineering. Our first subject is an icon of the arid lands. This is the camel, an animal of extraordinary endurance and resilience. Its most famous feature, the great hump that rises from its back. The hump is actually a large store of fat, a concentrated energy reserve. This allows the camel to draw upon it when food and water are scarce. By concentrating fat on its back, the rest of the body remains lean, helping dissipate heat. As the camel metabolizes fat, it also produces metabolic water, a crucial internal source of hydration. Long, thick eyelashes form a protective screen. Nostrils can close to block sand. A tough, leathery mouth allows it to eat thorny plants. Broad, flat pads spread when weighted, creating a natural snowshoe. Each feature answers the desert's challenges, making the camel a true survivor. From the deserts we travel to the open savannas of Africa to meet the world's largest bird, the ostrich. An adult male can stand nearly 3 meters tall and weigh over 150 kilograms. Its long, bare neck and enormous eyes give it a somewhat prehistoric appearance. Unable to fly, the ostrich evolved an alternative: incredible speed. It can sprint at up to 70 kilometers per hour. Each 2-toed foot bears a formidable claw, a powerful weapon if cornered. Its eyes are the largest of any land animal, larger than its brain, providing excellent long-distance vision. From its height it can scan the plains, a natural watchtower for itself and grazing herds. Males dig a simple nest. Several females lay eggs in a communal scrape. The male often takes the night shift, his dark plumage providing camouflage. We now journey to the frigid waters of the Arctic Ocean. Here, amidst ice and cold, lives the walrus, easily recognized by its long, formidable tusks. These elongated canine teeth can reach a meter in large males and signify dominance. They are used in aggressive confrontations during breeding season. Walruses hook tusks into ice to haul their enormous bodies from the water. Hundreds of sensitive whiskers, each richly innervated, act as tactile detectors on the dark seabed. They sweep whiskers through mud to detect clams, snails, and small invertebrates in near total darkness. A thick blubber layer insulates and stores energy, a perfect design for a cold world. Tusks for utility and defense, whiskers for foraging. Together they make the walrus an Arctic specialist. Our journey now takes us to the mangroves and rainforests of Borneo. Here lives a primate with one of the most comical and bizarre features, the proboscis monkey. In adult males, the nose is long, fleshy, and pendulous, a badge of status. It evolved by sexual selection. Females prefer males with larger noses. A big nose signals health, status, and genetic fitness. The nose also acts as a resonating chamber, deepening the male's honking calls across the canopy. They eat mainly unripe fruit and tough leaves, foods many others cannot digest. A chambered stomach hosts symbiotic bacteria that break down cellulose and neutralize toxins. They are excellent swimmers, using partly webbed digits to paddle across rivers, an unusual primate skill. Swimming, leaping, and a large nose for courtship make the proboscis monkey uniquely adapted to Borneo's riverine forests. We turn to the shallow lakes, lagoons, and wetlands of the tropics, a bird of almost surreal beauty, famous for its vibrant pink plumage. Chicks hatch grey. Their pink comes from their diet, brine shrimp and blue-green algae, rich in beta-carotene. Those pigments are deposited in feathers, signaling health and feeding success. Their large, sharply bent bill acts as a filter. Lamella sieve tiny prey when the bird feeds with its head inverted. A powerful tongue pumps water. Lamella traps shrimp and algae as water is expelled. Standing on one leg may look precarious, but it is an energy-saving posture supported by specialized leg anatomy. From diet-derived color to filter feeding and balance, every trait fits life in saline wetlands. Flocks of pink paint the landscape, an unmistakable sign of thriving wetlands. We descend beneath the waves into the silent, colorful world of the ocean floor. This creature seems to belong more to the night sky than the sea. It has no head, no tail, instead radial symmetry with arms radiating from a central disc. Underside arms are covered in hundreds of tiny tube feet, part of a hydraulic water vascular system. By pumping seawater through canals, the starfish extends and retracts tube feet tipped with suckers. Coordinating hundreds of feet, it can glide, climb, and grip tightly, even in strong surf. To eat clams, it pries shells open a fraction of a millimeter and everts its stomach into the prey. It digests the prey externally, then retracts its stomach and absorbs nutrients. With a diffuse nerve net and simple body plan, lost arms can regrow. Sometimes a single arm can form a whole new individual. Our final destination is the wild, windswept coastlines of the subantarctic islands. Here we encounter a behemoth of the seas, the elephant seal. Adult males bear a large inflatable proboscis, a trunk-like nose that signals dominance. Sexual dimorphism is extreme. A dominant bull may weigh several tons, while females are much smaller. Males inflate the proboscis and produce deep, roaring challenges that resonate over the crowded beach. They slam bodies and bite in brutal fights for control of a harem. Beyond the beach, they are masters of the deep, diving over 1,000 meters for fish and squid. Heart rate falls, and blood is shunted to vital organs, adaptations that allow long, deep dives. This colossal roaring giant is a testament to extremes of adaptation. As we reflect on these 7 remarkable creatures, a clear and beautiful pattern emerges. Each bizarre feature is a precise and elegant solution to the challenges of life. The diversity of life reflects the diversity of Earth's environments. These species play vital roles, dispersing seeds, filtering water, controlling populations. In our modern world, habitat loss and climate change place these species under unprecedented pressure. It is our responsibility to understand, appreciate, and protect this precious legacy. By learning about the camel's hump or the proboscis monkey's nose, we build a connection to the natural world. In the bizarre we find beauty, in the peculiar we find purpose, and in the great spectacle of life, wonder.